Good morning, this is Gabriel, aka the Renaissance Man, bringing to you another project. I recently, as of yesterday, I had to add a new outlet to the shed so I can find a way to get some heat into the shed. Now, this was a homemade extension cord I had made earlier when I started to get the shed. It was originally 25 feet. I had to cut it down to accommodate what I needed to use it for this time. The reason why I'm not using this one is because I had to get an outdoor extension cord to power my shed. And this is how the power gets in right here. Through this plug. It's a marine grade plug that's used on boats, RVs, trucks, and autos that want extra power to use other instruments into their vehicle. Now, because I needed heat, I had to add a new outlet. And this is it. It plugs right into my power strip, my homemade extension cord, and it works. Basically, it uses 14 gauge wire, typically what households use according to the NEC code. Yep, and I got it running over here to the new outlet, and that's the new heater. This is one of those as seen on TV heaters. Original selling price when you go to the big box stores, it'll be about $29.99. I got it off of Amazon for $12 and some change. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see if I get some heat. Power comes on, and it's generating some heat. How cool is that? So when it gets colder here in the shop, I'll just turn it on and I can work in comfort. Let me know what you think, folks. Until then, this is Gabriel signing off. I'll see you in the next video.